Students, in this video we are going to see the topic under for the complex variable in the model 1, which is type 4 problem. So already in the videos we have seen for 3 type of problems. So the type 4 problem which you have in the mixed type, which is nothing but when you have a like a previous type, we have seen real part as given, that is asked for the harmonic conjugate or to find your imaginary part or to find your f of z. Okay, but here we are going to see either together of u and v, which is expressed in terms of equations. We are going to find that f of z, and also we are going to see some prove that problem also, okay, in terms of f of z. So now you can go with the type 4 problem, which is a mixed type. Find analytic function f of z, which is equal to u plus iv, given u minus v is equal to e power x of cos y minus sin y. So the question is given, it is not like only the real part or imaginary part. There is a relation of both real and imaginary as given. U minus v is equal to e power x of cos y minus sin y. So what is that? Let u minus v is equal to, consider the given equation. So what I am going to do that, I am going to differentiate with respect to x and y. I will get two equations, okay. And after, already the given question is mentioned as an analytic function. Using that condition, I am going to replace my CR equation. Then I can get both the equation in terms of only ux, uy, or uy, what is that? It is in terms of x, ux, vx, or uy, vy. Then I can solve it easily. I can able to get a term, okay. So for that reason, first I am going to take a differentiation with respect to x partially. So what I will get, ux minus vx, which is equal to e power x into cos y minus sin y. With respect to x, I will get only e power x. E power x differentiation will be e power x. Then partial differentiation with respect to y, I will get uy minus vy, which is equal to e power x of cos y differentiation is minus sin y. Sin y will be minus cos y. So now we know that the CR equation, what is that? Ux is equal to Vy, Vx is equal to minus Uy. So therefore, what is that? Replace in equation number 2 in terms of x, I'll get minus Vx, and what is that? Uy to be replaced minus Vx, Vy to be replaced of Ux. So minus already is there. Minus Vx minus Ux is equal to minus e power x of sin y plus cos y. That implies ux plus vx is equal to e power x into sin x plus cos y, minus to be multiplied. I am making in equation number 3. Now you can write in equation number 1. From equation number 1 is ux minus vx is e power x cos y minus e power x sin y. From equation number 3 I can write it e power x cos y plus e power x sin y. Now subtract these two equations. That means equation number 1 minus equation number 3, ux will get cancelled. I will get minus 2vx is equal to 2 e power x sin y. That is vx will be e power x sin y. Okay, similar, you can add this equation. I will get my ux. What is it? Ux is e power x cos y. Now I should find my f dash, which is ux plus ivx. So you can substitute ux you have done already, e power x cos y plus I into vx is e power x sin y. So by replacing x is equal to z and y is equal to 0, I will get my f dash. What is that? It is 0, you can replace, cos 0 will be 1, sin 0 will be 0, I will get only e power z term. On integrating, what is that we will get with respect to z? F of z equal to e power z will be e power z plus c. So what is the question is asked to find only for a f of z u plus iv. So we have done your f of z e power z plus c. Okay. So we'll go with the one more problem. If f of z is a regular function of z, show that dou by dou x into modulus of f of z the whole square plus dou by dou y into modulus of f of z the whole square, which is equal to modulus of f dash of z the whole square. So the question is asked to prove that. So to make it simple, I am making a standard form of your f of z. As per the definition, it is u plus iv. Okay. So what is your modulus of f of z? This we have seen about the introduction video, right? So modulus of f of z is nothing but square root of u square plus v square, which I am going to consider as a pi. Okay. Now How it will be changing in this modulus of f of z to be replaced by pi is nothing but dou pi by dou x the whole square plus dou pi by dou y the whole square is equal to modulus of f dash of z the whole square. Okay. Now you can see I can write it 5x square plus 5y square. Okay. So first I should find that 5 square. From the 5 you can write it 5 square. It is easy to take a differentiation. That's why we are taking a square. So 5 squared equal to u square plus v square. So now differentiate with respect to x and y. Okay, in this equation. What is that? 2 5 into 5x. 5 squared will be 2 5. Again 5 you can take. It is a pi x, right? Which is equal to, what is that? Here I have both u and v with respect to x and y, right? So 2u ux plus 2v, then v you can differentiate, dou v by dou x will get. Okay. Similar with respect to y, I'll get 2 5 5y is equal to 2u uy plus 2v vy. Then you can see equation number 2 and 3 squaring and adding, I'll get 4 pi square 5x square plus 4 pi square pi y square, which is equal to 2u ux plus 2v vx the whole square plus 2u uy plus 2v vy the whole square. Now take out a 4 pi square as a common here, and the right side also 4 is a common. I'm going to take, because you can add, this will come because you have a term of square. So you can apply a plus b the whole square here. Then I will get all the term, it is 2, right? 2 squared will be 4. Then what is that I have? ux the whole square, a square plus b square, v vx the whole square plus 2u v ux vx will get. Similar for v term also. As per the CR equation, the function is in analytic, it should satisfy your CR equation. So replace your CR equation in this equation. What is that you will get? Plus 4 of u squared ux squared plus v squared vx squared plus 2uv ux vx into this term to be replaced in terms of vx minus vx, and here vy square to be replaced by ux square minus of, here I am going to replace any one term. Okay. So uy vy replace in terms of x in the negative. So positive negative term will get cancelled here, and you will get a equation as, what is it? 4 of u squared of ux square plus vx square. So u square term here is a common. I am going to take it u square, and here v squared is a common. So I will get 4 of u squared v squared into ux squared plus vx squared. 4 will get cancelled. 5 squared is nothing but u square plus v square. That also will get cancelled. I'll get 5x square plus 5y square is equal to ux square plus vx square. So now f dash of z is ux plus ivx. It is modulus of f dash of x is equal to root of ux square plus vx square. So what is that? Modulus of f dash of squared is equal to z squared equal to ux square plus vx squared. So now you can see that equation number 4 and 5, both it is right side is equal. So left side will be equal. 5x square plus 5y square equal to modulus of f dash of z the whole square. That is nothing but which we need to prove that. Okay. So one more problem. If phi of x comma y is a differentiable function and f of z is u of x comma y plus I into v of x comma y is a regular function, show that dou phi by dou x the whole square plus dou phi by dou y the whole square is equal to dou phi by dou u the whole square plus dou phi by dou v the whole square into modulus of f dash of z the whole square. Okay. So what is that? First we can take it here phi as a composite function treating, because it is given in terms of x and y. To be replaced here, you have to take it in terms of u and v. So I am taking phi as a composite function, then treating that u and v is a function of x and y. So by chain rule you can apply dou phi by dou x is phi with respect to u, again u will respect to x. So I'll get dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Okay, similar for your y function also. I'll get it is phi x is equal to phi u into ux plus phi v into vx. Similar, phi y is equal to phi u into uy plus phi v into vy. So now I'm going to square and adding these two equations. I'll get phi u ux plus phi v vx the whole square plus phi u uy plus phi v vy the whole square. Then apply a plus b the whole square format and replace your CR equation, and I can able to get a equation as 5u squared of ux squared plus vx squared plus 5v squared of vx squared plus vx squared. So this term will be similar like a previous problem. Okay, so 5v squared of ux squared plus vx squared, in this equation we will get. Now in this ux squared plus vx squared is a common, I can take out, it will get 5u squared plus 5v squared into ux squared plus vx squared. So what is that ux squared plus vx squared? This we have seen in the last problem also. What is that? It is nothing but modulus of f dash of z whole squared is ux squared plus vx squared. Now equation number 1 and 2 you can compare. I can able to replace this term will be modulus of f dash of z squared. So it is nothing but which is required to prove that we have done it. Dou phi by dou x the whole square plus dou phi by dou y the whole square is equal to dou phi by dou u the whole square plus dou phi by dou v the whole square into modulus of f dash of z the whole square. So this is your required question which we have proved it. Okay. Thank you.